Hello Udo users and welcome to our channel. Today we are back with one more shipping integration demo on Geodis Udo shipping integration. This is based out of in France. We will see company and shipping level configurations in this video. This module works best in test and production environment. Key features of this video are multi-pack creation, multi-label generation, tracking and cancellation of the shipments directly from the Udo dashboard. So let's get started. Once this application is downloaded from the Odoo web store, we will configure the company settings. For that, we will go to settings, open user and companies and go to companies. In companies currently we have configured a demo database to show you. So here you will mention all the general information of our company and go to GOD's configuration. As you check this box, you will mention all this information that is provided to you by GOD shipping provider. Now, as we go ahead, we will do the shipping configuration. So for that, we will go to sales module, go to configuration and open shipping methods. Here is the GOD shipping service where you will mention the shipping service name, select the provider from the drop down and see the configuration. Here is the company configuration. If you have more than one company in your Odoo database, you can select any one of them to which GOD shipping service is applicable. Next is default package type. So if you have more than one types of packages, we can configure them all over here and select any one of them as per the requirement. As you go to the internal link, you can mention the size of your packages, select the courier from the drop down and mention the code if required. Next step is delete the shipment in the case of validation failure. So there can be a possibility that your shipment can be failed at the time of validation. You can choose this option to delete the shipment directly. Next is the product code. So there might be different types of product codes and you can configure them here. Next is the format of the label. So if you have more than one types of label format, you can configure them here as well. So as you mentioned all this information, our shipping methods are configured. So now let's save it and move ahead to create a sales order. Let's create a sales order. We will add some customer name, add the product from here and add some quantities. After adding the quantities, we will add the shipping directly from here. We will select GOD shipping service and add it. On adding the same, we will confirm our sales order and go to the delivery order. On going to delivery order, we will divide this quantity into multiple packages. So I want two packages of the same. So first pack will have five quantities. I will save it. I will go to put in pack. I'll select the package type and save it again. Now the remaining five quantities will be in the different package. So we will repeat the same process, which is very easy. And after the same, you can see packages smart button over here where you can go and see the packages created. Now we will render to additional information. Here as we validate this delivery order, tracking reference will be fetched, labels will be generated over here. Now as we validate it, after validation you can see tracking reference over here. You can see the label generated and tracking smart button as well. So first of all we will see the label. So we have created two packages and two labels are generated. Next is the tracking. So if you click on the tracking smart button, you will be able to track your shipments directly from here. Here is the tracking page. Next is the cancellation. So if you want to cancel the shipments directly from here, you can do the same. So if you select the cancel, you will be asked for the confirmation and you can select the shipment. So log will be generated over here. So this is all the configuration. You can let us know if you face any issues while you install this module for your Odoo web store. Our team will be there to help you out. Also, you can write back to us at support@projecttechnologies.com. Don't forget to share and subscribe this video for the future. Thank you.